A-safe barriers are the most heavily tested polymer safety barriers in the world. Not only that, we also test to an internationally recognised standard, PAS13. PAS13 itself was developed in association with the British Standards Institute and the Health and Safety Executive, along with global barrier users and global barrier suppliers, and provides a publicly accessible means of testing. Anybody can go out and replicate our tests. Not every manufacturer claims that. Currently, A-safe polymer safety barriers are the only barriers tested to PAS13, and those tests are independently verified by TÜV Nord, one of the best regarded test houses in the world. And we can provide you with the independent certificates from TÜV Nord to prove it. There's a lot of misleading information around safety barriers. PAS13 gives you a solid, repeatable way of testing. It's a dynamic impact. That means we hit it with a vehicle of some kind. There are static ways of testing where you just push the barrier. That's going to give you a very different result to what you see in real life. If your proposed supplier is using a forklift, see if they can provide you with a TÜV Nord certificate saying they've done it properly. You also need to check that your proposed barrier is good for your vehicles. Some barriers are very low down to the ground. They're fine for some applications, but there's a potential that your forklifts could drive straight over the top of them. So it's very important you ask the question, how is your testing done? Who is your independent certification from? Ours is from TÜV Nord, one of the most recognised and well-regarded testing houses in the world. Our first generation system went on the market in 2001. We're currently selling our third generation system. We continually improve our products, not only our safety barriers, but safety standards for the barrier industry globally. We supply more polymer safety barriers globally than every other manufacturer combined. That's because we test more than every other manufacturer. We have more independent certification than every other manufacturer, and because we're trusted.